Okay, this is a continuation of continuation ya video eweddeko. Na unakugambye nti we shall see tubadde tulaba supply and demand zones. Eyo tuvuddeyo kati tuli ku kinaliise support and resistance. Support and resistance. Support and resistance, it is a concept, a trading concept. Kitegeeza ki kino? Mu Luzungu simanyi ngeri nsobola oteekamu ekigambo support oba resistance mu lulimi Oluganda, but katutambulirewo mpola mpola. Support and resistance tugamba nti okay, tubeera ne gundi bbiri. Where there are so many oba ku sell side, like you see here, kasa tulaba nti price, okay, yayimiridde nnyo mu kifo ekyo, tugamba nti it is a support area. Okay, it is a support area. Now kubamu akafaananyi nti this is our support line, excuse me, eyo price yaffe eri ku mutwalo gwe Uganda. Nze, I told you I will be using Ugandan currency, UGX. Awo price yaffe eri ku oba ebbeeyi ya asset eri ku mutwalo gwe Uganda. Now yayambuse netuuka ku ki? Ku supply zone. Naye bwe yatuuse ku supply zone awo waggulu ne tulaba nti we are playing in here, okay? Price tedda wansi ku demand zone. Let me say for example this is emitwalo ebiri still eje Uganda, okay? 20,000 Ugandan shillings. So if price came from 20 netuuka ku mutwalo, it didn't drop oba price teyakiridde wansi, but yasigadde muno, okay, mu range eno. Now this area up here, okay, yabadde resistance oba it was resistant on price. Ebyo ebigambo byesagenda teeka mu Luganda, but njagala otegeere support and resistance as a concept eya supply and demand. Wano tugamba nti this area was resistant to the market oba price wano yabadde resistant. Now this is resistance wano waggulu. Bwodda mu supply and demand, this is a supply zone waggulu. But now tulaba nti ekifo kya asset eno okukirira ddala wansi yatuuse waneno neyimirira, okay, neyimirira ku mutwalo, teegala kudda ku 15,000. Price neddamu neyambuka wano nera still negano nekirira nekomaawo, neddamu neyambuka here until it broke out, okay? Now eno tugiyita breakout, okay? Bw'oba ojjukira higher highs and higher lows. Now this becomes a high after this high, okay? This is a high, then higher high. Bw'oba ojjukira concept zaffe ez'emabega. Now njagala otunulire bulungi what happened for a meantime ekyabaddewo, okay? For a meantime njagala otunulire kiki ekyabaddewo. Price broke above here. Let's say for example yagenze ku mutwalo gumu n'ekitundu here, okay? Let's say that is 15,000 shillings, 15k UGX. Kasita yatuuse wano waggulu. See what happened here. Njagala otunulire kiki ekyabaddewo. Yakomyewo ku mitwalo ebiri. Let me extend these price tags here. Price bwe yakomyewo ku mitwalo ebiri here, what happened? Yazzeemu neyambuka ku gumu kitundu, okay, because yafunye rejection from mitwalo ebiri. Why did it get a rejection? Yafunye rejection because we broke above emitwalo ebiri, okay? Now this was support resistance. Now the next, if resistance is broken, it becomes the next support. Anybody support? Let me have it as a resistance before. Resistance mujja kunsonyiwa about my busy background. This is a resistance awo. Now enebadde support. Now in muku trading tugamba, when support or when any of these lines is broken, katusubire nti if resistance is broken, it becomes the next support. Once we create another resistance, eno efuuka support. So ene mabega tulaba nti ebadde resistant. Okay, I will come to that. When price broke above that line, eno ebe efuukira ddala support area. Ene efuuka support wano. Because we have a new resistance, okay? Kiringa gwe okuzaalibwa ng'oli first born, bamala okuzaala omwana omulala oyafuuka last born. So attention baba tebakyagiteeka ku gwe eyaliwo, attention bagiteeka ku muntu mulala. So this becomes our next support and this becomes our next resistance. Okay? Eno kasitefuuka resistance empya. Eno kino kikadde. So it becomes the next support. Tulaba still it is a support here. Now once again when we break below, okay, bwe tuba tukiridde wansi weno line weno price, it becomes our resistance again. Okay, edamu nefuuka resistance from support wano to resistance again. Lwaki? The price traded below that line. I'm trying to speak louder because I have a busy background. Price became, this line became resistant to this line became resistance to price. Now ndozo olaba when we broke above again, eno tuba tugibala as support line over and over again. But finally tulaba what happened here. When the price came back to this same line here, we went down. Okay, we even broke below the previous support line. Now in the future, fenanga bwe tukimanyi, this one becomes our next enebe jafuka our next resistance line. Okay, ebe fuka resistance line yaffe eddako. Lwaki? It was support, now it is resistance. It is being fetuba tugibala nga resistance here, and we traded lower and lower and lower and lower, creating lower lows and lower highs, creating lower lows and lower highs, creating lower lows and lower highs. Now njagala nsoke kunyole bulungi eno concept eno ya support and resistance. It is similar to our supply and demand, naye njagala kunyonyola ebaawo mu trends zonna, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend, this concept works. Now eno njagala tugiyite ceiling of the price, and the other one the floor of the price. Ceiling of the price, and the other one eyawansi tugiyite the floor of the price right here. Floor. Now price kubamu akafaananyi nti price is a bouncing ball. It's moving from support and resistance, support and resistance, support. When it breaks below, eno gye ba breakinze wansi waayo tujja giyita okay, we shall, then this one being a floor, it's now a ceiling here because we traded below the floor. Okay, we traded below the floor, so this is no longer the floor, it is now a ceiling to this price. Price wecho wetambula, support and resistance areas being broken, ngabola bawano, support, resistance. This becomes our next support, this becomes our next resistance. Once we break below, wait to price wetambula nga tuvude ku concept ya supply and demand. Now for that case, let me make this video short tukome wano kati nkutwalire ddala ku charts. We see how do we spot those areas tugenda to approaching the trading concept mpola mpola, how to trade, how to become a professional trader. That is my goal on YouTube, how to predict these markets, how you look at these sagala kudda mu luzungu engeri gyotunyamu markets zino nokola ki nawe nosobola okola akasente. So kankulabe mu video eddako after this one.